What's going on, everybody? It's your man Tremere, and I'm here at Green Chevrolet, 1703 Avenue of the Cities in East Moline. And man, this has got to be the best car that I've ever showed you guys. The best features on a vehicle that I've ever seen on anything other than a plane. Man, I ain't never been inside of a spaceship until today. But this that I'm going to show you is truly a gift. It's a diamond in the rough. We have a 2016 CT6 Black Raven Edition with the peanut butter guts interior Cadillac. 65,000 miles on it. And I mean, this thing is no joke. But don't just take my word for it. I'll show you for myself. And then so you can see for yourself. So anyway, without further ado, somebody tell somebody that Tremere's got whips. I heard that anyway. Anyway, so shall we continue? This 3.0 turbo all-wheel drive CT6 Cadillac quad exhaust, sensors in the back, wrap around and over lights, so you definitely will see if this vehicle ever has to stop. 20-inch rims and tires, black on black with the chrome edition. As you can see, Cadillac badges all throughout. You do have turn signals on your mirrors. They are automatic folding, and you have blind spot monitoring on them as well. This vehicle has the panoramic roof, and oh, it looks so good from the inside. You'll see. Satellite radio access. And just so you're not too bothered, you also not only have the tinted windows, but you have the shades in the back and on the sides in the back. Anyway, let me allow you to see it. So much more. The IntelliBeam smart light system. Excuse me. The indirect fire LED system. This vehicle has every single feature that Cadillac could put on a car for this year. There goes your front sensors, along with your front camera underneath the Cadillac emblem there. I mean, this thing has everything. You see the peanut butter guts interior, heads-up display, your front alert cameras. I mean, this thing has everything, but don't just take my word for it. We do have to get inside of this thing. Now, it's going to take us some time once we do. Look at this remote, this fob. First lock, unlock, remote start. Let's check out this trunk since we're out here. What's the... Yeah, you get that panic button. Okay, what does this trunk look like? Oh Lord, look at this. Look at the space. 1, 2, 3 set CT6 mats. Look at that. I love how they have that emblem in there. And it's the actual emblem. It's not just a plastic piece or whatever. I mean, this thing has got everything. Accessories for your wheels. As far as taking them off, you do have a spare in there. But look at that space, though. And still, I ain't showed you nothing yet. Shall we continue? Well, journey with me, y'all. So, as you see, you do have the cream, wood grain, and peanut butter guts interior. Power folding mirrors, power seats, mirrors, doors, locks, windows, massage seats. As you see, this is your massage feature. Memory seats, as you can see. Emergency parking, heads-up display. I mean, IntelliBeam. This thing has everything. Shall I continue? heated and cooled seats, along with heated steering wheel. It does have lane keep assist, front collision alert. Of course, now you see the heated. It does have automatic stop, park assist, and automatic parallel park. Now, I did hear a rumor that somebody told me this thing can drive itself. I'm not really sure, but if it can, if any vehicle can, it'd be this one. But hold on, I just seen something. Check this out. I mean, there's so many things that this does, but I just happened to notice this. Check it out. 36 speakers in this vehicle. The Bose premium sound system too, so it's not just, you know, your average run-of-the-mill systems here. Now you see that? Let's get out there. Let's see. Let's go back to menu. We'll clear out all that. As you see, I'm using my keypad here to get me back to where I want to be. That thing has everything. Of course, audio, climate. You have so many different cameras, recording cameras, cameras that you can record yourself. This thing even has night vision. It only is available at night, but as you see, it also has night vision. And imagine what that is like. So you do have the rear entertainment system along with the DVD player. Each screen back there can be used separately. And you use this so you don't have to get your screen all dirty with your fingerprints. But of course, if you wanted to, you absolutely could. So as you see, all your systems down here, your Sirius systems down here. I mean, this thing is awesome. Volume. Now, shall we continue? So this does have some amazing roof features up here. So as we check those out, of course, you see you do have the OnStar as well. OnStar definitely comes in handy in any situation. But look at this. I mean, look at that. Isn't that crazy? Watch this. You see that? So yeah, not only do you have your mirrors on the, or excuse me, your screens on the side, but if I put the car in reverse, the screen that's in the back will go down. And of course, as you see, you do have the backup camera. And these camera additions, this is just crazy and amazing. But yeah, I love that thing. I love those features. So anyway, comes with more. You see here, you do have the USB along with the auxiliary inputs in there. But there's your wireless charging station. Here are your different drive modes. Cream interior, glove box here. You want to send a text, of course. Your phone, it is hands-free, so you can't operate everything from your car here. But that's nothing. Let's continue. Follow me. We got more to see. So far, so good. Are you liking what you're seeing? So I'm not done yet. Yeah, this is the back seat. Of course, this goes up. But if there's only two people in there, well, there's your DVD player. Climate control in the rear. Rear seat entertainment on both sides. Heated seats in the back, but you also have massage seats back here. And of course, these seats do adjust accordingly. Let's see here. As you see, You can get as comfortable as you'd like to be while you sit back and watch your rear entertainment system. I love these things. So let me show you something. So if I want to sit back here and get my massage, then that's kind of what I'll do here. Oh yeah. Let's see. Let's turn it up a little bit. I need a little more power than that. Anyway, you also have massage sheets in the front as well. And there goes your entertainment along with your views. Pan array system is what we have here. Does come with a remote and headsets back here, USB, auxiliaries. Let's see. I love that, but these do go down. So let's see. I'm gonna show you this, which is your rear camera.